What's up, guys? If you don't know me, my name is Aram. I am the founder of Blossom Media, and we've done over 200,000 across all our brands with this simple funnel. So, to give you an example, I'm going to pull up April's performance. April, we spent $1,193, right? Resulted in 59 leads. This was for April 1st or April 30th, 1,193 in ad spend. Now, if you go to the April ledger for our company, you can see right here that turned into $14,950 worth of bookings, right? They bought our 5K package, 3K. We got our little small 1K one, 450 for an engagement. All came out to be 15,000 in bookings. But if you want to look at it in terms of cash collected, we did 6K in cash collected. So we turned 1,100 in 6,000 physical cash. 6x return or 14x return, however you want to look at it. This was some banger results for a banger month. If you want to learn this funnel, what we ran, how we targeted, how to even start running ads if you don't even know that either, we have all of that information in our wedding launch accelerator course, where I will be coaching once a week on there to answer your personal information in group calls. And we also have a bunch of modules that literally go over exactly how we implemented this. So if you want to know more, go ahead and book a one-on-one with me. Your first one is free. We'll go over your entire business. We'll see what you're lacking, what you're not lacking in, what you're doing good, what you're doing wrong, to see where you can improve to make your first 5K, 10K a month. Because as you see here, we made 15K this month in bookings collected. So go ahead, book that consultation, and I'll see you there.